Okay, now network protocol, other one is a TCP. Okay, this is a transmission protocol, reliable connection. Reliable mean they can receive the acknowledgement and negative acknowledgement. If they receive the packet, they send the acknowledgement. If it not, they will send the negative acknowledgement. Okay. Then TCP. Okay. That's mean here specify they are receiving the computer. They send acknowledges. Okay. I received the packet 1. Then while they checking the data which they receive, it's reliable. They did check some data. Okay. Check some mean they calculate when you, if I send you grade 8 science marks, I need to calculate their admission number or something. I added something, then we will check it, its data is accurate or not. Okay, that is using checksum. You don't need to calculate anything. You need to know that they are using the checksum technique to ensure data is accurate or not. That means, okay, now I sent it to students of data. That's mean 2 students of data. That means science marks sent to the principal. So while I added the admission number, I calculated both to added. So somebody's number 5001, 5002. So 10,002 mean total. That is the checksum. I can get it anything. Their marks or admission number or number of question, anything. Then after principal receive that, he check it admission number total. It is a checksum. So it is accurate. If it not, data is not accurate. Okay, so while they got that. Okay, now data flow control. Flow control mean now you are receiving data, get it from the person who is sender. Sometimes it's make it slow down. Okay, now I will explain through that. Okay, slow down. Maybe think about you are all 10 friends are there. You are travel. You want to go to somewhere. You are traveling by motorbike. Okay, one person going to be start, then one by one of the big line you are traveling. Sometimes you will be slow. First data going to be reached quickly because the traffic. Okay, while traveling in on a line, I think sometime 2 people, catch by the red signal. That's mean they need to be stopped. Some of you not. So this time receiving some process happen. It's like a traffic control light or else something peak of the vehicle. That is the flow control. Okay, flow control means, can you think about water flow? Okay, we have switches to turn on, turn off. Okay, if you have a water flow control is high mean width of pipe will be high. Okay, with this very slow pipe, flow control low. Okay, now we are controlling the flow of water according to width of the pipe. Okay, like also here also we have. Okay, then we have to ensure data, the person who is sent. Sometimes duplicate data will be sent. Okay, we have to confirm it, no duplicates data. Okay, so TCP we are using the access our web pages or else receiving sending emails or else we can use it update download the file also because it is a reliable connection. Okay, sending receiving data we need a reliable, then upload the download the file also. Okay, now see here this is happened. Okay, specify receiving computer, we have to send the acknowledgement each section of data y. Now sending packet 1, that's my biology book, send to the add-in. Now add-in receive, after that what he send the acknowledgement for biology book, that is in green. So I know that. Now add-in receive that. Then send the packet 1. Okay, then send the physics book, I send it. Okay, now you mark it, receive the book, send acknowledgement. Acknowledgement biology, I received the biology book. Next one, I received physics book, send acknowledgement, send the confirmation to the physics book. Okay, now I send the chemistry book. I lost somewhere on the way, it lost. You didn't receive. Okay, now you know that next book is going to be a chemistry. You know that. That's what you mark it. Receive packet 3. Then discard because of you didn't receive. Okay, you didn't receive. That's what. Then send packet 3. Okay, that's mean other book, computer science book. It's going to be wait because of uh, you send the data. I think other packet also sending. That time he received the acknowledgement from the sender. After he received, it's interrupting. Oh, okay. Okay, he will be received that. Then after he received the letter, he can't do at a time, no? Send he received, then send again packet for science, English book. Then receiver received that. Okay, then again send that packet 5. Okay, now you receive the packet 3, but you didn't receive the packet 2 mean chemistry book. Okay, now it's going to continue. Now he thinks about you that send the thing. So I didn't receive the acknowledgement of a chemistry book. Now timeout, it lost. So we can't be wait, but you need a book. Then resend again. That's what now timeout. So we have been waiting. Now if you lost the data, we can get back through. No, we have been waiting 2 days. No, so time is out. Then again, I have to get the folder. Then I need to send the packet too. So one by one, this process is happened. Okay, this is reliable connection. TCP, reliable connection, sends acknowledgement, which is happening in the TCP, transmission communication protocol in the network protocol. Okay, now check some how we can calculate it. Okay, so think about that. It's look like that, but don't think about that. Which I tell you, I am sending the marks of O-level student science. Okay, so I pick it to 5 students. So I calculate a total of 5 student admission number. So I put in the packet total admission number equal. I added. Then principal received that. Then how she can confirm it's accurate, which he received. He check it. Then he opened the packet. Then he calculated. It's correct. Okay, sometime it will be changed at the same time who is a great O-level A division teacher send the packet, but envelope will be changed. So that's mean principal Radhiri, he calculated. So total of admission on the packet is different, which is in the packet take the papers, 5 papers are different. So it is data is not accurate. Okay, that's it. That's very simple. You don't have that much of, just they inform that. Okay. Now here, okay, that a flow control mean this is the data flow. Okay, now here according to the time, yeah, frame 1 sent it, that's mean data packet sent, then acknowledgement also received, then again frame, then again acknowledgement. It is according to the time it will be happen. That's mean the computer. Now think about while doing the lesson, while explaining, I told you, can you write the notes? So I'm very fast while deliver my notes. It's very fast. Then you tell me, please, miss, please slow down. That's mean, okay. Receiver, you are the person receiver. You inform me I am the sender. Miss, please slow down because you can't control. You couldn't listen. You need a time to write. So like that, now you are collecting the book self. Now, can you think about in the library? Okay, I am the sender. You are the receiver. Okay, now I have 20 books. You are the person who's going to be put in the cupboard. Now I quickly send all book one by one quickly. I put it down. So you can't, you can't manage those things at a time. Okay, that's what you told me. Please, slow miss. Can you stop and give a book? Okay, according to the receiver information, send the computer, make it slow down. Okay, because you couldn't manage. So that process time we call flow control. Okay, so think about while you are having your meal, your mama put it in more string hoppers or anything. You can't eat quickly, no? So you need a time. That's what Amma, please stop that. After I finish these 3 string hoppers, can you put it? So like that, it will happen in the TCP network. That is the flow control. Okay. Then other example you think about. Okay. If you are while making something, yeah, string hoppers matter. Okay. Now think about that is the road, narrow road. Okay. At a time, 5 or 3 people can't go. So you are make it slow down. Can you come one by one? Okay. So think about like that. Okay. Now you are writing some notes, physics notes. Okay. Your physics master given the mathematical calculus or physics calculation. He given quickly. He say told can you do it? Okay, calculate this one by one. He has given an instruction, but you can't do quickly. So you need to make it slow down because you have to finish which one previous work. So that's what please you need to inform to the sir. Please slow down, sir. After I finish the third calculation, sir, can you tell the fourth calculation? So between that process is happened, the receivers, you are the student receivers, send your physics, sir. So that time it's we mentioned about it's a flow control. Have you got it all this point? Adam, have you got it? Okay, if you couldn't understand, ask me, okay? Because of that is a flow control. Okay, mama has a 10 string hoppers. Today, mama thought need to eat my son these 10. Okay, so if first mama put it one string copper, so one by one she's putting. But you can't eat so first time you can eat too quickly. But third when you come to the third string hoppers, you can't eat quickly. So make it slow down. You inform to mama, mama please slow down. So that slow of the time, the person who is receiver inform to the sender, please make it slow down because he has to need a process to receive those. That is the flow control. Okay. Next one. Okay, have you seen here? That is the transmission delay. We call it. Okay, have you remember? So transmission start then frame also send. Now he need to time to that. That's what this time. Okay. Because of it's happened for the transmission delay, propagation delay. Okay, you don't have that much. Have you seen here TCP, IP, sorry, IP, TCP protocol? Okay, now these are the data. We know that in when you come to the computer or the network, bit data transmitted into bit. Okay, now these are some numbers also there. They make it that. First, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Those are the packet. First 0, send it. Then he put it in this cupboard. Okay, which I get it from my cupboard. I send it 3 books to add and who is in Candy. So like that. Now Colombo from, this is Candy place. This is Colombo cupboard. This is Candy cupboard. First 0, send it. Can you receive and keep it? Then again 1, send to that receive. Okay, then again 3, 4, 5. So at that time, I think you have some issue. After that, have you seen here? You didn't add here, but all numbers are right to send 2, 3. Okay, but you send the acknowledgement 0 again for 1. Others you didn't because of you needed time to process. That processing time is the flow control. The time, that's what they mark it time. This is the receiver. That is the flow control. Okay. This is TCP for the reliable connection. So it's ensure that no duplicate data. Okay. And all data can be in the correct order. Mostly used in the web pages. Okay. Update, download the file because it's need to be confirmed reliable. Okay. Then when come to the network, we call TCP/IP protocol. Both two protocols are working. It's very common thing nowadays we are using more. Okay, transmission, both two protocol are working together. We call it, it's a protocol stack. Okay, protocol stack. Why we may name about? Because transmission control protocol and the internet protocol, both two are working together. That's what they put it name to this protocol. This is called protocol stack. Okay, why we call it protocol stack? I to see. Okay. Okay, why we receive protocol tag? It's like a tag. Okay, in your syllabus, they mention about network protocol, TCP/IP stack, application layer, transport layer, internet layer, link layer. Okay, you need to interval, no? Shall I give only 10 minutes today? Hello, Adam, Trevan, Trevan. Shall I give 10 minutes? Okay, today
Very.
9:15 no, we started, so I will finish it today 11:15 or 11:30. Okay, no? You all okay?
Okay.
Okay, because today start 9:15, no? That's what. Okay, now time is because wait. 10:13. Can you come 10:15? 10:25, can you back? Have a coffee or something. Okay, better to come with Nescafe hot coffee. Then you can it make it to wake up because it's very good for you. For the study need to night more time can have a coffee, Nescafe or whatever. Okay. Okay, can you have a coffee and can you come back 10:25? Okay, we need to do the past paper also today. After I finish that past paper only, you can leave it. Okay. Thank you so much. Please come back 10:25. Okay, shall we start? Hello? Yeah. You all back, no? We can start, no? Hello? Shall we start? Adam? Trevor? Are you all back? Adam?
Yes, team.
Okay. Okay, shall we start? Okay, now continue. Now the network protocol. Okay, application protocol. You have a questions also. Transport protocol, internet protocol, and the link layer. Okay, now this is we call TCP/IP stack. Which one? TCP/IP protocol stack. Okay, that is here. Okay, it has the application transport internet layer, link layer. So in the link layer, it has the Ethernet MAC and the physical connection. Okay, now when you come to the application layer, transport layer, we are using TCP. Internet layer, we are using IP and the TCP, TCP/IP protocol. Okay. Then when you come to in link layer, Ethernet, IP, TCP. Okay, how it's passed through. You don't have this much of question, but you need to those layers you have to answer for this. Which protocols are comes under that. Last class also we did the paper. Okay, they are asking the protocol. If you come to application layer now, this is the course lab doc. That means sender, receiver. Okay, or else you can think about you request the web page or whatever. Okay, simple thing you think and write down. Okay, application layer, they are using the HTTP protocol. Transport layer, network layer, link layer. Okay, those are goes through like this. Okay, this picture just for the understanding I put it, but you don't have for in your book. Okay, these pictures, but this one you need. Okay, this one you needed. You have to write like this. TCP/IP stack. You have to do it. Okay. Next one. Okay, how they transfer data. Okay, think about this is Colombo. This is Candy. Okay, this is internet transfer. Okay, I send. First, I keep it my letter, put it into the envelope. That is the process 1. Then they must seal. They make it seal or something. Then they put it into the candy packet. Then they put it into the pick packet. Then this pick packet going to be receiving candy. Okay, this is candy post office. They receive it, which is from the Colombo. Then they open the packet. Then they have a separate section packet. Then they open the letter. Then they send you a letter. They reach it. So have you seen here? Okay, send a portion, receive a portion. Okay, which they entered same process. It's, can you hear how it's happened? So just understand this picture I added. Okay, next. This is main, this is slide is important. Have you seen? You have last class also we did. In your past paper, they are asking when come to the TCP IP tech, which protocols are using. Okay. They will ask if you come to the application layer, HTTP, FTP, SMTP, POP3. Okay, this is the top of the layer stack. Okay, please mention about top layer, not a down layer. Okay, top layer of the stack. Okay, then this is interact with the user. That's me. This is screen. We are using HTTP. I am the user. So interact with the user. It's provide the service to access the service for sender and the receiver. If I send the email, I am the sender. I am using email. So that is the user interaction with the user interface. That's what we have, a user interface. Then the person who is receiving, he can see it through the email user interface. Okay. So it is interact with the user. Okay. What are the protocol we are using? HTTP, FTP, SMTP, POP3. Some of you we did. Okay, others also will come. All one we covered in the network also. Okay, TCP IP, end-to-end communication over the network. It is very important when you come to TCP network. If they ask main point, don't forget to write manage end-to-end communication. Okay. There are two main protocol will be work. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, UDP, User Datagram Protocol. Okay. Next one. Can you see here UDP, TCP? Okay. UDP just send request, response, response, response. There are no acknowledgement, not reliable one. But while we are using TCP IP protocol, TCP/IP protocol, here sender, receiver. Okay, synchronizing, send the packet, then send the acknowledgement. So that means it's reliable confirmation, the data which you receive. Okay, next. Have you seen here TCP handshake? That's what how we can initiate the communication with your friends. Hi, say hello. Okay, so synchronizing, handshake. So they need to initialize the connection starting. Synchronizing, send the acknowledgement, synchronizing an acknowledgement, then sender will send the acknowledgement. UDP, there are no, because it's not reliable. Just send the request and everything respond. Just send it. We never worried about if the lost or not. No, nothing. Okay. Now TCP IP protocol, internet layer also we are using. Okay. This is the TCP UDP connection we are using in the network protocol, transport layer, TCP IP. Okay. This is sending the data across the multiple network. Okay. Now here routing the role of who are the person going to do. Internet protocol is doing routing. Okay. Now see here source computer. Okay. This is the destination computer, source computer in Colombo, that is in Kandy. Application layer, that is I met the person who is in post office. Application layer, Colombo post office. Here application layer, destination Kandy post office. Okay. Now transporting. Okay. By train. Here also by train. Internet. Okay. Then after that, from that, they get it from the van or something. Okay. Then they link together. Now it's like thing about router, the person who is the pickup postman. Okay, after that you receive those packets. Okay, this is the process will be happen. This is the TCP/IP protocol. So now we understood which I send the data, how it will be reached to the person who is the receiver. That is where the